Let me share with you what is transcendental meditation. Why share with you? Because, these are the three things which man wants to do in life: learn something, love something, and work, do something with your hands. So, this is called intellect, emotions, will. So, these three things, they make you complete. That's what life is. Life is incomplete without these three endeavors. कुछ जानना चाहते हैं, प्रेम करना चाहते हैं, और हाथ से करना चाहते हैं. This is what life is in nutshell. So we are all chosen ones because we want something which perhaps others have not yet felt the need of. Others are trying to find that fulfillment in a party or in a club or in a drinking session or some other worldly pursuits. But we are chosen ones. We want, we are convinced that in worldly pursuits we have not been able to find fulfillment. So हमको वो पूर्णता चाहिए किसी तरीके से. और हम, we are chosen ones repeatedly saying, because हमको लगता है कि हाँ, कोई और रास्ता है. And this is a private tuition because मैं उस रास्ते पे चला हूँ और मुझे प्रकाश हो गया है. सो आई कैन कन्विंस यू कि होता है, ये रास्ता है, कन्वेंशनल रास्ता है. उसको अध्यात्म बोलिए, स्पिरिचुअलिटी बोलिए, मेडिटेशन बोलिए. दीज आर वर्ड्स. सो चोजन वंस बाय whom? We always posit somebody else, okay, we are chosen by Krishna, chosen by Allah. Well, but actually Allah is you only. आप ही के अंदर है ना. You chosen once by you yourself. You have chosen yourself, that you have gotten convinced कि कोई और रास्ता है. So somebody asked me, आप ऐसे कैसे हो? I said, because I have wanted to be like this. I have wanted to be like this. Not somebody is forced you or imposed upon you. You want, you are convinced there is something within you which says there is a way to be always in control, to be always full and filled, happy. So, the word transcendental meditation. You see, what is meditation and what is transcendental meditation? So, the word transcendental in itself means to transcend, to go beyond life. I have wanted to stay beyond life. That's why the circumstances of life don't touch me, because I've wanted it. I am a chosen one, chosen by myself. I find life the way it is, worldly life, on the surface of the, let's say, the ocean, to be unbearable. It's too chaotic, too tumultuous, too wavy, too, noisy. So I have gone into the sea. The wave can go into the sea also. The wave can continue to be on the surface or it can go deep inside. Inside what? Inside itself. You can go inside yourself, and then there will be eternal rest there. So, well, transcend life. You cannot give up life. You cannot ignore life. त्याग नहीं किया जा सकता, भागा नहीं जा सकता. You have to live within life. You are life, you have to be life, but you can always go beyond it. When there's a storm, The eagle goes beyond the storm. When there is a tsunami in the sea, the wise fishes, they go on deep inside. Deep inside, there is no storm. Tsunami is only on the surface. So you can either transcend life or you can be in love. If you're in love, then you've gone deep inside. If you've gone beyond, it's called transcendental meditation. As Patanjali, the author of yoga, describes it, he says, Atha Yoga Nushasanam. Sri Krishna says, Yogastaha Kuru Karmani. लाइफ जीते रहो मगर योग में एस्टैब्लिश्ड रहो. सो योग इज चित्तवृत्ति निरोधा योगा. चित्तवृत्ति निरोधा योगा. चित्तवृत्ति इज लाइफ. चित्तवृत्ति इज लाइफ. इसके बियॉन्ड चले जाना इज योगा. इसके बियॉन्ड चले जाओगे या इसके अंदर घुस जाओगे, डीपली गंगा में नहाओगे अच्छी तरह से, हाथ जुड़ जाएंगे, आनंद ही आनंद है. हाथ जुड़ जाएंगे, आप ही जुड़ जाएंगे अपने ही साथ, अपने ही बिलवड के साथ जुड़ जाएंगे, अपने ही ईश्वर के साथ जुड़ जाएंगे. सो मिठत निवि नान का गुण चंग्याइयां तात. सारियों चंग्याइयां गुणों का, सभी पुण्यों का जो एसेंस है वो है झुक जाना, प्रेम में जुड़ जाना. सो जुड़ जाओगे, आनंद ही आनंद है. मिठत, मीठा ही मीठा है, अंदर आनंद आएगा, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा अगर ऐसे हो जाओगे. तदा द्रष्टु स्वरूप अवस्थानम. तब तुम भगवान स्वरूप हो. तुम पहले भी थे मगर मानते नहीं थे, मगर अब मान जाओगे. तुम पहले ही परी थे मगर अपने आप को बला समझते थे, मगर मान जाओगे कि मैं परी हूं. तुम वॉरियर थे, लड़ने वाले थे, तलवारें लेके घूमते थे, फिर संत बन जाओगे. स्वयं ही आपकी अपनी इच्छा से. यू आर चोजन वंस बाय योर सेल्फ, नॉट imposed upon it by any god. You are God. You are eternal. आप ही राधा हैं, आप ही कृष्ण हैं. आप ही आत्मा हैं, आप ही परमात्मा हैं. बस एक एजेंसी बाहर से चाहिए जो आपको बार बार याद करवा दे कि आप कौन. वो एजेंसी को गुरु बोल लीजिए, मोटिवेटर बोल लीजिए, मेंटोर बोल लीजिए. दीज आर नेम्स. बिलवेड बोल लीजिए, कुछ भी बोल लीजिए. फ्रेंड बोलिए, द बेस्ट इज कॉल हिम योर फ्रेंड who reminds you. Friend means who is your well wisher. Call him a friend. Don't look up on Guru because then he will not be catchable. Make him your friend. Then he is always with you. Hold his hand. He'll take you beyond. Because if you want to transcend something, if you want to transcend life, you have to catch something who can pull you up, isn't it? So that whose feet you catch or whose hands you catch is the one who will help you to transcend life. And you will go beyond chitta vrittis. Our problem is that you want to, it's the problem, it's a paradox, problem as well as the solution. That you don't have another tool. The only two, three tools you have is your hands with which you can catch either the feet or your hand, Guru's hand. Anything you can. The other thing is intellect, with which you can try and understand him, what he reality is. And the third thing is emotions. You can love him. You've got only three things: emotions, intellect, and hands, will. So with all these three things, if you try and catch him, with intellect also, with emotions also, hands also, if you try and catch him, he'll take you beyond. Beyond what? Beyond yourself. As long as you are you, this you cannot be that you which you want to be. If I am that which I wanted to be, that means I am not this which I had been. If I continue to be what I am, this man, then I can't be that which I want to be. So I've been chosen by myself to be me, not this me, that Aham Brahmasmi. I've chosen myself to be Brahm, not Aham. If I am Aham and I am miserable, then I have to die just like everybody else. Because I can either choose to be DOG or GOD, isn't it? If I choose to be DOG, very fine. फिर तो कहते हैं ना कुत्ते की मौत मरोगे. Well, it'll have to be if I choose to be DOG. So I just reversed it. Transcend. So I willed and chosen by myself to be God. I can be. Everyone can be. We are all chosen ones. If we want, we can stay beyond life. Life is an illusion. Na asato vidyate bhava. Na bhava vidyate sataha. Try to understand it. And ubhayorapi drashtvantaha tattvadarshibhi. तो अनायो तत्वदर्शी. जो तत्वदर्शी है, जिसने जिंदगी को अच्छी तरह से देख लिया है, वो जानता है ना असतो विद्यते भावो. ये जो जिंदगी दिख रही है इन आंखों से, ना तो वो आंखें सत्य हैं, मतलब ना तो वो आंखें हैं ही नहीं. इट्स एन इल्यूजन. जिसको मिराज दिखता है, मिराज मतलब होता है ना, पानी दिखता है, ना तो वो देखने वाली आंखें ही हैं, ना ही तो वो पानी है. सो जो भी तत्वदर्शी है, जिसने बियॉन्ड लाइफ देख ली है, वो आपको बताता है कि ये सत्य नहीं है. ना असतो विद्यते भावो ना अभाव विद्यते सतः. एंड जो सत्य है, उसको आप डिनाई कर नहीं सकते. कर रहे हो मगर कर नहीं सकते, बिकॉज वो है ही. सपोज यू स्टार्ट डिक्लेयरिंग, not by mouth but within yourself, start declaring to yourself, sky doesn't exist. Sky is always there. It's nothing with sky will not mind it also. So you say God is not there, love is not there. Love will not mind it. Love is there. You may accept it or not. Love is there. And so is jnana. Jnana is also there. Intellect, jnana, not just the dry intellect, but jnana. Jnana is awareness of love, is jnana. So that cannot be denied. That is why Patanjali would say, Maharishi Patanjali would say, Ath Yoga Shastram. You cannot deny it. And Sri Krishna would say, Yogastha Kuru Karmani. Yoga cannot be denied. Yoga is Avinav Bhav. You know, there are three words: Abhav, Vinabhav, and Avinav Bhav. Abhav means absence. Absence. Absence of God is not possible because God is there. Love is there, happiness is there, Sat Chit Anand, Anand is there. So अभाव तो उसका हो नहीं सकता. So विना भाव है. विना भाव मतलब you are denying it. You are not being able to live without him also, but you are accepting as if he is not there. He's there, but you are not experiencing him. So you are saying he is not there. And you are blaming him for various things. If he is not there, then how can you blame him also? But you are blaming him for various problems, and then you say he is not there. If he is not there, then how and why can you blame him? So actually, it's a paradox. He is there, but you are not being able to experience him. So you're living in his absence, which is not true, but you are living in his absence. This is called vinabhav. Vinabhav of that which is avinabhav, which is actually there. You are just not being able to see him. Why? Because you want to hold on to the what is that is what is unreal. Hold on to why? Because you think this is real. Actually, this is not real. Real is that. Tattvam asi. He alone is that, is the reality which all of us want. Every human being wants that reality which is called Satchidanand. Always couldn't care less, yet participating in every activity of life. Yogastha Kuru Karmani. Participate in every activity of life, but know that life is not a reality. Life is a dream, but make it a sweet dream. When we are going to sleep, don't we say, sweet dreams, good night? So it is a dream, but make it a loveful dream. That's how God, you, take the form of a beloved, a guru, to guide your own self. You alone make a guru and be guided by yourself. Your beloved is not come up from some imaginary place. You alone have in your own heart made a guru, a mentor. And he, that means you yourself, are guiding yourself through him. And he becomes your beloved because you wanted it. Beloved means your friend. He becomes your friend because you have created that well wisher around yourself who guides you, who holds your hand, who talks to you sweetly and tells you, अपने आप को पहचानो, तुम कौन हो? तुम ये नहीं हो, तुम डीओजी नहीं हो, तुम जीओडी हो. Isn't it? Because डीओजी को हमने इतना गंदा वर्ड बना दिया कि वो बोलने में भी अच्छा नहीं लगता. So I am just saying डीओजी. गाली सी बना दी है. He is a sweet animal, but well. So, but we don't want, we are not animals. We are not this human animal. Science calls you a human animal because an animal which walks on two legs is a human animal. No, you are not. If you were, then you should have been satisfied in being a human animal. But you are not satisfied. No human is ever satisfied because as long as he wants to continue to be a human animal, he will not be satisfied. So a Krishna will have to come and say, Yogastaha Guru Karma. Patanjali would say, Atha Yoga Anushasana. वाहिगुरु सच क्या है? एक ओंकार. वो आप है. आप अहंकार नहीं है. आप ओमकार है, क्योंकि वही तो सच है. आप कह देते हैं कि सतयुग आएगा इतने साल बाद. वो कितना पैरड इलॉजिकल थॉट है कि अगर आएगा 100 साल बाद कह लो, या 1000 साल बाद, या लाख साल बाद, 100 साल बाद भी आप तो मर चुके होंगे. कितना इलॉजिकल थॉट. और आप उस वेट में हैं कि आएगा 100 साल बाद या 1000 साल बाद. वो तो मर चुके होंगे. वेट करने का मतलब नहीं कोई भी. वेरी इलॉजिकल, एंड स्टिल वी कॉल आवर सेल्स लॉजिकल ह्यूमन बींग्स. कि मरने के बाद देखेंगे स्वर्ग मिलेगा. तो कितना इलॉजिकल थॉट. मरने के बाद क्यों स्वर्ग मिलेगा? अभी क्यों नहीं? अभी मिलना चाहिए. एंड वो संभव कैसे होगा? ट्रांसेंडेंटल मेडिटेशंस. लाइफ के अंदर रहते हुए लाइफ के बियॉन्ड रहने से जो कुछ हो रहा है उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करिए. intellectually, emotionally, physically, yet know that you are beyond all this. You are love. And that will be possible only if you त्रिकारण शुद्धि, तीनों तरह से उसको पकड़ लीजिए जो आपको बाहर लेके जा सकता है। तीनों तरह से, तीनों तरह क्या है, उसका हाथ भी पकड़ लो, इंटेलेक्चुअली भी समझ लो, इमोशनली भी स्टे, बिकम हिज फ्रेंड, एंड ही विल टेक यू आउट बिकॉज ही लिव्स इन दैट वर्ल्ड। आज चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहां गम भी ना हो, आंसू भी ना हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले। वो एक चाहत देश है, वो है, वो झूठ मूठ नहीं है। ये जो जहां फंस गए हो वो झूठ मूठ है, वो सचमुच है, ये झूठ मूठ है, ये झूठा संसार है, एक ड्रीम है। इसके बियॉन्ड एक असली वर्ल्ड है। यू बिलोंग टू दैट, यू डोंट बिलोंग हियर। दैट्स अ वर्ल्ड वेयर देयर इज ओनली लव, ओनली लव, no questions, only answers. Life is not a mystery. Life is a mystery because have never tried to go beyond it. If you will go beyond it, you will find life to be an open book. It's an open secret. Hare Krishna. आओ ऊपर चलो, आसमान से आया फरिश्ता प्यार का सबक सिखलाने, दिल में है तस्वीर यार की, लाया है वो दिखलाने। वो कौन है यार, वो कौन है फ्रेंड, वो आप है, वो आपकी रियलिटी है, ये दिखने वाली नहीं, अंदर की रियलिटी। हरे राम, हरे कृष्णा, हरे कृष्णा।